This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are in Changdao getting ready for a big trip with the family all the way to Pattaya. It's around 800 kilometers from here with 2 kids. Let's hope it goes all right. That's the biggest challenge. These two, the gang, man. Oh, okay, so we're gonna use the Leapmotor B10 and then yeah, and just show that we have some luggage in the back and here, nice interior, wifey riding in the front, and in the back here we have 2 car seats, the Cybex Anoris T2, and then you have Cybex, this is called Cloud T. So of course you want to secure the kids properly. This is the best way to secure them, the best safety. And in the back we actually don't have that much luggage. Oh, it's gonna hit the roof. I don't, it stopped. Oh, shit. So we chose to pack light. We have 1 big suitcase. We are lower the floor, you see? Otherwise we'd be up here. We bring just 1 stroller, e-Priam, and then the other stroller is actually in Doraemon here. We just keep it there so it doesn't become dusty. And then some clothes, whatever. There's the toilet for Isabel for when she wants to poop in the toilet. Oh, don't close that, Isabel. No, leave it up. Yeah. What did you do now, huh? Huh? Nip mua. This happens. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, we're on the move, and I don't know what the heck is up now, but Axel is back on crying every time we drive now, just like last year. Maybe it is because we are using the Cloud T and not the bigger Sirona T that we have in Norway. Yeah, I might need to transport that over here next year, or maybe another Anoris T2. Well, we're just gonna go eat now at All Day Cafe, and then hopefully he'll fall asleep. That is the plan. Well, actually he might be sleepy now. Oh, we're a bit late. It's already noon. As always, we come here and then they have fish here. Axel loves fish. He wants to see the fish. Axel, fish, fish, fish. Yeah. And then ABC always be in the shade. The food here always looks great and tastes great. We have pad kapow with lots of veggies, and then for wifey we have khop hat. Yeah, yum yum yum. You want a gurk? Go ahead, Isabel. You want a gurk? Yeah. Come on. We have arrived at the LOL Kids Castle. The kids are asleep. Axel fell asleep kind of late, but let me show you here. Since Changdao, look at that. 133 watt-hour per kilometer. I was actually hammering it kind of a little bit in the beginning, but then I took it easy towards the end. So this car can be quite efficient. We still have 83% battery left. Okay, but here we're gonna stay here for a couple of hours, let the kids play. It's a nice place. They have solar panels, seems like 10 kilowatt on the roof. Well, we start by playing outside because inside is actually full. So they have a limit of how many kids can be in the inside loop there. Well, it's fine. The kids love playing in the with the water outside here. And there's plenty of other stuff around here also. Good boy. We're back in the car, and yeah, it's almost it's past 5 now. But this is where it's really hot in here. I did use the guard mode, which keeps HVAC on, but it seems like after, I don't know, a while it will turn it off. Isabel ได้เปิดแอร์แล้วต้องรอแป๊บเดียวนะมันก็จะเย็น Okay, anyway, I think we're gonna go to, not to Central Festival, but to Ruamchok today. It's closer. Here we are. Ruamchok. It's chock full in there. Okay, lots of food here. Oh yeah, yeah. Wait. Entrance, top tier. Links here. Enter. Okay. Infart.
Tops.
Okay, here we are. There's so much food here. Oh, it's heaven for me also. Okay, but we're gonna go to Tops first. It's a supermarket. We need to get some diapers. They don't have that in Chengdu. Here it is. The Marys, they are supposed to be the best that we found. But we need the XL for Isabel. Yeah. Okay, I think we need 2, man. Good thing we have a spacious car. These are big. Oh yeah, we are in food heaven. Oh, there's just so much food here. Fried stuff, grilled stuff, fruits, salad. Oh yeah, oh look at that. Oh wow. Okay, let's figure out what we're gonna eat now. Măng khuất, măng kèn nói này. 70 บาทเอาแต่ยังไม่รู้จักส้ม Dragon fruit Yum. So actually the small ones, they are actually the good ones. So wife is gonna pick some. Yeah, we haven't had this since COVID 2020. Wow, 5 years ago. ไข่ลูกเขยโอ้โหหอยต้มจืดไส้อั่วยำข้าวเหนียว fresh. Okay, now we're heading to the Airbnb house, not too far from here, fortunately. Oxo fell asleep when I was carrying him. Now he woke up. Oh, they went quiet for once. Wow. I think they slept for about 45 minutes to 1 hour only midday, so maybe they go to bed early tonight. We are in this area, residential area. They call it Banjatsan. We got in here, but we are not sure which house it is because the freaking host didn't tell us which house number it is. Normally the guard asks for that, but we managed to zoom into one of the entrance picture there. We don't know which house it is. It matches, right? Maybe they rearranged. Man match, okay, so maybe it's this house. It's supposed to be open. Okay, it's maybe this house. Wifey was concerned about this thing here. It's like a shrine or whatever of. Well, I don't know. I'm not that superstitious, unlike my wife. I think it's open here. It's supposed to be open here. Well, I guess this is the one. Okay, quick room inspection. This 2-story house cost 2,000 baht per night. So it was cheap, but it might come with some disadvantages. First of all, this, I don't know, it's some kind of Chinese shrine thingy. I don't know. I asked wife, she's like, okay, I don't know, ancient Chinese secret. And then wife is concerned about all these inscriptions, what it means, you know. And okay, maybe not the best upkeep here. And it's kind of dark. We brought our own light here actually to brighten up things a bit. Just, yeah. So you're gonna eat now soon. There's one toilet here, downstairs. I guess it looks okay, yeah. And then there's kitchen, and there's microwave and all the stuff we need. Well, these guys, they have a big collection here. Wow, look at that. Also over there. And then there's just kitchen here and yeah, whatever that we need, right? Let me check, did they include water? Oh, they didn't. That is quite sloppy. Actually, most Airbnb hosts, they include drinking water, but not here, so yeah. But then let me show you upstairs. There's some weird shit going on upstairs. Okay, just regular stairs as you would expect it, right? And then here, this room is locked. Okay. There is bathroom and shower here. Everything looks kind of normal-ish. And then you get into this room. Here's where me and Isabel be sleeping. Isabel is gonna go check it out here. And this is the main bedroom. Maybe not the styliest place, you know? Yes. And then here, I don't know why they use so dim lights and with weird, really high Kelvin color temperature. And then they have this toilet here. And then, why is there a knife in the bathroom? Ich weiß nicht. Okay, fortunately we're only staying here one night. If we can survive one night here. Shit! And you see on the doors, there are some inscriptions here. From what I know, these are made by monks. And also, that door that is locked. The heck does that mean, huh? Shit, man. Getting creeps now. It's past 1 at night now. And I'm driving towards this PDT station. It's called Sarapi Song. I'm going to do a range test of this car. I tend to do this while I'm on a trip in Chiang Mai. Otherwise, I'll be driving all the way from Chiangdao to here just for the test. I did it once with another car and then back again. So yeah, I need to sacrifice some sleep at night, but I think it's okay. As I want to know how efficient is this beast from the east. Well, let's find out. Wait, how cold is it outside? Oh, it's only 17 degrees Celsius. Oh shit, it's kind of cold tonight. Well, we're now at the PDT station where I always start and stop the range test. So I'm done with the range test. This car was remarkably efficient. Okay, not as good as Tesla, but still very good, right on par with many of the European or Western brands like MEB platform or the Stellantis. So, well, I mean, it has some Stellantis in here, right? But actually, it doesn't feel like the Stellantis cars. But okay, anyway, now I'm topping up so that we don't have to top up too much tomorrow. So since I'm already here, we're just finishing some of the video. I will do that and maybe grab some food over here, I'm not sure. Yeah, I have some food in the fridge. Well, okay, maybe I'll just charge a bit more and then we get back home. I need some sleep for tomorrow. Yeah, I wonder if it's slightly cold gating. So I don't think we're getting the optimal speed, but you see, it's not showing the kilowatt here or here. So we have to look in the app here. It shows that we are receiving 71 kilowatt at 78%. I mean, that's still pretty good though. Right, we're back at the scary house again. Oh, I'm just kidding. But yeah, it's 3:30 at night. I'm gonna do the final copy files, whatever log distance I've driven for tax refund, and then I think I'll try to get some sleep. Yeah, and then tomorrow we're gonna head for Nakhon Sawan, and then we see how grumpy Axel is when we drive far. Isabel, she can handle it just fine now. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.